Hi everyone, today we will make together the famous chai tea latte, or as known in India, masala tea. That means it's a black tea with spices. We need cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, allspice, black pepper and some ginger. As you see here, I have the black tea, but this is the loose leaf tea, black tea. You can use the black tea in the tea bags. If you don't have this one, it's the same result. And for the spices, you see here I have the whole ones and the powder. You can use the whole spices like that. If you don't have the whole ones, you can use the powder ones. It's almost as spices as in every house. The cardamom, I'm having here the green one, and the black cardamom, the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. I put all the names here, like that everybody can know it, and you can use both. Now in a pan, I put my spices to toast them a little bit. If you have only the powder, you can put your water first, then add your powder spices. I toast them only a little bit, then here I mix both of them, the whole and the powder one. I don't burn them, only until you start smelling them in a low heat. Then I'm adding my water. For the chai tea latte, you add equal quantity of water and milk. If you use 2 cups of water, you use 2 cups of whole milk, not 2%, not 0%. I will leave here this water to boil with the spices, and for me here's 2 cups of water. I add 3 spoons of loose tea, black tea. You can use the ones in the tea bags. You see here the boiling all together. That's in slow motion, but the smell is really good. Now I add my milk, the whole milk, and if you are vegan or vegetarian, you can use the coconut milk or soy milk, any other milk, dairy-free milk. I stir everything together. Here, as you see, the color of the milk changed. Is a very nice color, and it tastes really good taste. For the ginger, I used some powder, or you can use the one that I used was my dried ginger that I dried home. I have a video in the channel, or you can use the fresh ginger. Here my chai tea latte or masala tea is done, ready. As a sweetener, if you like it sweet, you can add sugar to it, or you can add honey. If you don't like to add no sweetener to your tea, you can drink it like that. I have 3 options here: 1 cup with honey, 1 with sugar, and 1 without nothing. And all the options taste good. For me, I prefer the one with honey or without. And the chai tea latte or masala tea is ready. So quick, so easy recipe, homemade, and it tastes very good. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video. Enjoy!